Hello everybody and welcome back. I am really excited to share with you my new kit for November. November's definitely going to be a busy Christmas craft month. Not only am I going to be playing with these papers, but I'm part of a couple of collaborations this month as well. Rach and Bella are doing their usual Christmas craft off and I am taking part this year. I couldn't last year and I was so gutted because I've done the first two. Couldn't do last year's, and obviously this is their fourth year now, so I'm glad to be back at that. It's going to be so much fun. I did post details on my Instagram and Facebook page, so if you want to know more, go and check those out. Or of course, if you follow Rach and Bella, then you possibly know all of the details already. But yeah, it's going to be fun watching what everybody makes. It's always amazing seeing how differently people interpret certain prompts. As well as that, as I said, I'm doing another collaboration. I'm going to be doing a project with the Sugar Plum Stories collaboration. That is between Elizabeth and Rose. Again, I have posted information on my Instagram and Facebook page, so go and check that out if you want more details. But again, lots of crafty people involved, lots of different ideas for Christmas crafts if you want to go and check those out. So I'll be doing those. I think the Sugar Plum Stories one, I'm on the 15th, and Rach and Bella's I'm on the 16th. So middle of the month. So that gives me the beginning to make a start on this one. And then obviously I'll come back towards the end of the month and you can kind of see where I've got to. But let's take you on a little tour of the papers. I'm really excited for this kit. It's nice and vintage, traditional Christmas colours, I think. So lots of greens and reds, lots of vintage images, which I particularly love. So the first page we have is a journaling page. And again, like I said, lots of vintage images. I have got some plainer pages as well, great for journal writing. Also great as base pages. Some people don't like if you've got a busier page, putting pockets and things on because they feel they're covering up the images. So plainer pages are sometimes best for that. But yeah, really loved putting this kit together. Really love, like I say, the vintage images. We've got a similar page, but this time with the green snowflakes. I do love Christmas time. I'm an absolute child when it comes to Christmas. However, apart from Christmas crafts, I can't get into the Christmas spirit. So I won't listen to Christmas songs. I won't wear Christmas jumpers or earrings or put a tree up or do any decorations until the 1st of December. I think because I am just so excitable when it comes to Christmas, I think I would have burnout before December 25th rocked around if I started too early. So I do kind of put it off and don't get too excited about it until the 1st of December. But yes, like I said, enjoyed putting this kit together. Love these collage pages. I love the images. That's Santa. He's just so adorable, napping there. Or it looks like he's napping anyway. I've got a blank page here with just the music papers and adverts and postcards because I thought this would be great for you guys to perhaps decorate or just again use as a background page. Then we have the ephemera pages. Again, lots of bits to kind of fussy cut out. We've got a couple of the decorative hats. This journaling card can be folded in half. You can make it into a booklet. But yeah, lots of fun things to have a play around with. We've got a lovely bingo card. Love this doily with that image. Some different labels and some small tags. As usual, I've got different size pockets because obviously we've got some larger pieces of ephemera, so they'll fit nicely in these larger pockets, and then some standard size as well. Wouldn't be a kit if I didn't have different size tags. Really love these big tags, and these are so great for layering. I've got a couple of tabs and some different style labels as well. Really love that vintage train. It's so lovely. And then the last page in the kit is this envelope. So again, really love this. Again, we've got a train. I'm not a train person, I promise, but I do love those vintage steam trains. And then we've got this lovely tag with the children standing around the gift. So that is my kit for this month. As I said, I am super excited to get started with Christmas crafts. I've got lots of different ideas of things that I want to do. As I said, this is 16 pages. It will be in my Etsy shop when this video is released. You can head on over straight away and grab it. As usual, there will be weekly challenges and freebies, so make sure that you are following to kind of take part in those and grab the freebies. The first challenge will be live on Sunday, so that's when I'll have the first challenge and the first set of freebies available to you. I'm very excited to see what you guys make with this kit. I'm very excited about what I can possibly make with this kit. As I said, I've got a few ideas. My design team are also going to be working on it. I can't wait to see what they do. They always impress me with their projects. So it's going to be a very exciting November. So as I say, this will be in my Etsy shop from today. So when you start watching this video, it will be live in my Etsy. There will be a discount for the month of November, as there always is with new releases. So make sure that you take advantage of that discount while it's there, because it's only there for the first month of its release. Well, thank you for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you on Sunday when I introduce the first challenge and the first set of freebies. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you all in the next crafty video. Bye for now.